Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still moving very close to the support of this very big falling wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move and the next expected target for Bitcoin. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me show you this weekly time frame chart. And previously we have seen that Bitcoin formed this big falling wedge from Feb 2021 to July 2021, and after breaking out we had a very big rally, and again Bitcoin has formed another falling wedge, and that is bigger than the previous one. And right now, if we switch to the smaller time frame, then we can see after hitting this support of the falling wedge, it is getting bounced, and we are also above this support that I've been telling you almost in my every video, that it's very important, significant support of $28,600, and we are also getting bounced by that support as well. And we also had a spike up to $25,400, but you can see it is recovered very soon. The worst case scenario, I'm just going to repeat it again, in my point of view, is the 200 weekly simple moving average. Right now, the value of the 200 weekly simple moving average is $28,840. And Bitcoin, if we want the previous history of Bitcoin, then we can see never broke down this 200 weekly simple moving average since it has appeared back in 2015. And it is also possible that if the price line will move more down, then it can slightly move down to touch the previous high. That can be the $20,000 that was the previous high here. Sorry, not here. Here we had the previous high of $20,000. That is, in my point of view, can be the worst case scenario. But right now you can see that the price line is not breaking down the support of $28,600. Whenever it is entering in this support zone, that is a very strong support zone from 33k to 28.6k, and touching 28k, then we can see it is moving to the upside. Like here, it touched the support here, it touched the support here, once again it touched the support back in June 2021, and here we were very close to touch the support in the month of July 2021, and right now we are again hitting this support and likely to move up from here. Right now we are again very close to this support and the support of the falling wedge pattern, as the price line is moving at $28,887 right now. And I've already told you that Bitcoin has never broken down such supports like currently we are having at $28,600. Before that, Bitcoin formed this support here approximately at $3,200. We touched the support here, moved up, touched the support here. By the way, we are on the monthly time frame right now, and you can see that we had a very big rally. Before that, we had such support here, and previously this support was breaking as a resistance here and support here, approximately at $210. And after hitting or testing this support several times on the monthly time frame, we had a very big rally. So this is the history of Bitcoin, that Bitcoin never breaks down such strong supports like here we had, and right now after this rally, here we are also having. And you can also observe that before this rally that was started here back after the month of May 2020 to April 2021, here Bitcoin also broke out another resistance. That was, I think, the resistance of a down channel. Yes, here we had a down channel on the monthly time frame, and here we had another resistance before that. That was a falling wedge pattern, and Bitcoin also broke out this falling wedge pattern as well. And right now we are having, let me switch to the weekly time frame, then these patterns will be more clear. This was the falling wedge from December 2017, when we had this previous high, to here March 2019, and we broke it out after March here. Yes, at the end of March 2019, we broke it out, then formed another down channel and touched the 200 weekly simple moving average here and here as well. And we had another rally, and here we are forming the second falling wedge pattern, and we are having the nice support of the falling wedge and $28,600 as well. Now, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart here, Here we have, let me switch to the daily time frame. A bit critical situation is that we are already under a death cross between the 250 simple moving average. This yellow line is the 200 and green line is the 50. And when both moving averages starts moving to the downside, that is a bit critical, because in that situation, the pressure, the sell pressure can be increased. And right now you can see that the 200 simple moving average has started moving down, and the 50 as well. But if we switch to the weekly time frame, then here 50 was moving down, but it is now moving sideways. So on the long term, we have a slight good situation, like 50 simple moving average on the weekly time frame has started moving sideways, and it will, if it will continuously moving sideways and starts moving to the upside, then we can expect that soon price line will start a nice move from here, and it will be recovered back, and it will also break out the 50 simple moving average, because we need, for the long term, for the long bull run, we need the price line to cross up this 50 simple moving average, and 50 should be above 200 simple moving average on the weekly time frame and even on the daily time frame chart as well. So right now the situation is quite you can see quite better than, because we are still above the supports of this falling wedge and also this support of $28,600 until or unless these supports are not broken down. We are not going to hit the weekly 200 simple moving average, and a recovery rally from here is possible, at least up to the resistance of this wedge that will be approximately here at $36,000 to $37,000. And after the breakout, our target can be here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $68,000. But you can see the history shows that whenever Bitcoin breaks out such patterns, the rally can be bigger than the targets. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.